Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming 3 essentials: an Azure subscription, a runtime like Node or Net, and a tunneling tool. Create a resource group, then register a bot to get the Microsoft App ID and password, store them securely. Next, scaffold a new bot framework project using the SDK CLI, choose an echo or dialog template. Once done, run ngrok to expose localhost and set the messaging endpoint in Azure so you can test immediately from the bot framework emulator. You'll now implement the conversation flow and intent handling. Define root dialogues and waterfall steps, then wire prompts and validators so the bot asks, confirms, and routes properly. Make sure to add state management, use memory for local testing, then switch to Cosmos DB or blob storage for production. Integrate Lewis or QN for language understanding, map intents to dialog entry points, and add middleware for logging. Once done, run the emulator and step through intents to verify behavior. You'll finish by deploying the bot and validating end-to-end connectivity. Publish your app to Azure App Service or Functions, update application settings with the app ID and password, and enable channels like web chat or Teams. Configure authentication for connectors and test on each channel. Monitor telemetry with application insights to track requests and exceptions, then set alerts. If messages fail, check the messaging endpoint, validate app ID/password, and use the bot framework emulator, logs, as your first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.